You special and she reckless. Remember, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else.
Hey guys. Oh, happy day. We are in beautiful Costa Rica on our way to the coffee plantation and the volcano. Which is
crazy. It's pretty dope. Yeah, we tour the coffee plantation. And then what is the name? I think it's, I can't remember the name of the volcano.
I can't either.
It's,
it's a volcano.
It's a well-known.
It's a volcano. I don't remember being at a volcano walking through, so.
It's gonna be a lot of walking.
Yeah.
Outdoor nature and like activities. So.
It's a volcano. I'm just excited about going to a volcano. This is a whole. Thank you for joining us on this journey.
Active.
Oh yeah, that is active. Mm-hmm. One of many. But thank you for joining us on the journey. Hit that subscribe button. And let's go. To Hacienda Doca. Did I pronounce that right?
Yeah.
I think I did.
Yeah,
I think I did.
Name of the restaurant and coffee plantation.
And the coffee plantation. So we'll take you on a quick tour of this plantation, what it looks like. I'm not a big coffee drinker. Neither is Yecenia.
No.
But
we're more herbal teas, matcha teas.
Yeah.
More like
teed everything.
right, teas in general. We're fascinated with the
process
of it, the process, the fact that it's indigenous here.
I'm gonna try something.
I'm gonna try something.
Yeah.
We'll have a little taste, a little sip.
Yeah. Matter of fact, I might buy like an extra pack of something just to bring back with me to the States. Give it as a gift. I don't know. Or two.
Generous.
Or three. I don't know. I'm in that mood. This air is making me feel like that.
Oh, it's delicious out here.
Yeah.
So good.
Temperature like what, about 70 degrees Fahrenheit?
Yep, nice breezes.
Yeah.
Tropical breezes. Yeah.
Everywhere. And the people are friendly, kind. I love it. I just love the energy of the whole.
Plantas continúan creciendo acá. When they are 1.5 years old, cuando tienen año y medio, it's going to be about this big. Va a estar como ese tamaño. And the 1.5-year-old plants, they start to produce some coffee beans at that point. Y las plantas de año y medio ya empiezan a producir un poquito de granos de café. Okay? But they're going to keep growing. Pero van a continuar creciendo. Look at how tall they get. Vean qué alta se hace. And this is nothing. Esto no es nada. They could get to 10 meters high, 30 feet high. Pueden hacerse de 10 metros de alto. Okay? esta máquina, this little thing here, esta cosita pequeña, now makes all of what the old machinery used to do. See?
We just ended our tour here at the coffee plantation. Again,
Hacienda Roca.
look, I'm not a big coffee drinker, but I might have become a believer today.
Yes, it's good. We found the roast that we enjoy, and of the roast, the varietal that
Yes.
we enjoy, and that was the breakfast blend.
Yeah,
A light.
it's not bitter,
roast.
light.
Yeah.
It's really good.
Actually, it was similar to like wine tasting in that it had different flavor profiles, different aromas, different
Yes.
tasting notes.
Didn't have to add any sugar or any cream or nothing to
I
it.
think that's how you know is when you don't have to doctor it
Yeah.
up with sugar and cream.
Yeah,
Like those are fun enhancements, but when you can drink it straight,
and it's really good.
we
So
got a little French press to make it a moment at home when we make it.
yeah, we'll put in the comments on the bio exactly what coffee that we got. I recommend it. And again, we're not avid coffee drinkers, but it is really good. But right now we're on our way to go to the volcano.
Yes, the Poás
Yes.
Volcano. It's gonna be there's two peaks, like one like a big crater and then a secondary, the primary and then the secondary.
One of the little
And I
tough to
think
track. That's what
one
we
of
said.
them is supposed to be a little higher. I'm game for the higher.
We'll figure. We'll see what happens when we get there, and we see what we're working with before I commit to anything. But as always, thank you for joining us on the journey. Hit that subscribe button and tell a friend.
700 meters to the principal crater, 2,100 feet. 700 metros para el cráter principal. Then there is the other crater and walk up there. Luego está el otro cráter y caminata allá arriba. I'm going to give you the details about when we get there. Ahora les voy a dar los detalles sobre esto cuando lleguemos allá. And then you decide going or not. Y luego ustedes ya deciden si van o no van.
We just finished seeing the first crater, which was 800 meters up.
Principal, and then we're going to
2,700 meters up to the next one.
second one.
It should take about 10 to 15 minutes to get there before we head
eat,
down.
We eat 5-mile walks for breakfast, so
Literally
yeah.
every morning.
Every morning. And the weather is perfect. It's a nice, crispy, fresh air.
There's nobody walking with us, which is weird. You know, hopefully, no issues, so we don't get off trail, but really a great experience. So we are now walking back down the other type of volcano thing. dope.
The truth, right?
If you're out here in Costa Rica, you got to come visit it. All the details we're putting in into the comments/bio of this YouTube video.
This whole walk track was worth it. We probably already just finished catching the visuals that we put in.
Beautiful.
Showing the craters and that lake. It looked like a lagoon. The colors looked unreal.
I would swim in that.
I was like, I want to know what that feels like.
Yeah. But as always, thank you for joining us on this journey. We appreciate you. I know it's been a while since we've done a video. We'll do better. See you in the next video.
I'm a hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking